Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to use Quick Share on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now in this video, I will show you how to use Quick Share to share files from your Samsung Galaxy A07 to any other Android device. Now, first of all, on your Samsung phone, just open Settings, then tap on Connected Devices. From here, just tap on Quick Share. Under the Nearby Sharing section, just tap on Who Can Share With You. Now instead of no one, just select everyone and tap on done. After that, on your Android phone, just open settings and in the search bar, just search this. Then tap on quick share. Now since we are sending data from our Samsung phone to this Android phone, so I will select receive on this Android phone. But if you want to send data from this phone to your Samsung phone, just select send over here. Now I will select receive. Then tap on turn on Bluetooth. Now after you enable Quick Share on your Android device, now on your Samsung phone, just select the data which you want to share. For an example, I will open the Gallery app and I will share this photo using Quick Share to this device. But you can also share any file on your device even from the Files app. Now just tap on Share, then tap on Quick Share. And over here you will find the name of the receiving device. Just tap on it. And as you can see, we have successfully received the file on this device. Now, if I go to the home screen, and if I open the Photos app over here, as you can see, we have successfully shared this photo to this device. And this is how you can use Quick Share on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.